This is Sherilyn Hoffman, your Southwest Florida real estate agent, and we're going to go check out a few of their model homes. All right, let's check out the Oasis built by Pulte in Parkside Community. Northridge will have 322 homes with beautiful finishes and spacious interiors. All will be 3-car garage. The lot sizes are 60-foot wide. There will be 13 floor plans to choose from in Northridge. Remember to subscribe, like, or comment, or call me if you have any questions. So if you are interested in finding out what lots are available and what floor plans are available or what upgrades are available, make sure you call or text me. And be sure to subscribe to this channel because I will be sending out up-to-date information. Things are constantly changing. So I do represent the buyer. I am here to be able to show you any builder's floor plans in any Southwest Florida community. Remember that when you go into a new community and check out the model homes, you will only be meeting the builder's representation or the builder's realtor, and so they work solely for the builder, so they are not representing you as the buyer. So make sure that you get your own representation, and that is what I'm here for. I would love to be able to represent you and be able to serve you in any way that I can with your real estate needs here in Southwest Florida. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.